following is a severe thunderstorm warning for the following county: Fairbanks, North Star, Alaska. The National Weather Service in Fairbanks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern southeast Fairbanks in Alaska, southeastern Fairbanks, North Star in Alaska, until 3:45 p.m. Alaska Daylight Time. At 3:22 p.m. Alaska Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 20 miles northeast of Quartz Lake, moving west at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern southeast Fairbanks and southeastern Fairbanks, North Star. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.